So I'm surfing around TikTok and I see a video from the ABC World News featuring David Muir, and they're talking about a miraculous breakthrough in blood pressure control. Well, it eventually pans away to some product which I know had no evidence, no real evidence that it actually worked. And when I went back and I zoomed in on what David Muir was supposedly saying, I could tell that he wasn't even mouthing the words that I was seeing in the video. It tells me that this was most likely an AI-generated video. I actually made a folder on the desktop of my computer because I wanted to go back and look at this product more closely, maybe do a review on it. Thought it was one of these one-off things. But then today, I see another video featuring David Muir of ABC World News Today, and also the Doctor's TV show talking about some miraculous second skin wrinkle erasing serum. Well, turns out, I looked at this again, then this is again an expensive product which actually has a much less expensive active ingredient. So here's what I'm mentioning here. If you are looking on TikTok or maybe elsewhere and you see things of the news featuring celebrities and are talking about some miraculous product, you really want to be careful these days. We're living in the world of AI where they can make people reproduce your face, reproduce the voice that you have, and make it look like everything is legit. This is a serious concern these days. You really want to be careful. So for instance, in the case of this miraculous eraser wrinkle product that I just saw, the key ingredient in this product is much less expensive than the product that I saw on TikTok. It actually goes by the name of arginine. More technically, it's called acetylhexapeptide 8. You can buy this online for like 20 or 30 bucks. And it's clinical research on this product. It actually will erase fine lines or wrinkles temporarily. This product will work for about 8 to 10 hours and the wrinkles will come back. But it is the real deal. It does work very similarly, but you can buy it much less expensive than the product I saw on TikTok. So when in doubt, like never before, you really want to be an educated consumer. Investigate what you're looking at online. And if you have any questions on anything that you have seen online that look too good to be true, leave a comment below. I'll add them to my list and I'll see if I can do some future reviews on them honestly without any hyper spin.